Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we are going to consider some more different types of matrices, and I hope that the discussion which we have done in the previous video related to different types of matrices will be clear to all of you. If there is any doubt, you can even let me know in the comments. I hope that will be clear. Now we are going to talk about some more different types of matrices. So firstly, we are going to talk about this thing, that how we can find the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix and how we represent it. So its representation can be just a to the power theta. As you can see, I have mentioned it here and highlighted it. Clear? Now another thing. So it is transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Conjugate means if iota is present there, you need to replace it with minus iota. If minus iota is present there, you need to replace it with iota. Transpose means you need to convert row into column and write like column as row. So any one thing you will do, either convert rows into columns. Okay, so first row just write it as the first column. Okay, second row write it as the second column. So this is how, if you are going to make the changes, you are going to find the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Clear? Next thing, and both the things you need to do to find it. Next thing, what type of matrix is known as unitary matrix? So guys, if we are going to have a matrix A in such a way that if we are going to take the product of that matrix A to the power theta, okay, it's power theta, that means theta is what? Theta here is representing that we have taken the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Clear? Like in the above point we have discussed, that is just the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. So if for any matrix you are taking its transpose to the conjugate of a matrix product with the matrix itself, and if you are getting the identity matrix, that means that matrix is unitary matrix. Next thing, if we are going to talk about the Hermitian matrix, guys, so Hermitian matrix is a matrix. If you are going to consider its transpose of the conjugate of that matrix, clear? So in that case, if you are getting it equal to the matrix itself, you will say that the matrix is Hermitian matrix. So you can see I have even mentioned the condition. And guys, one more thing you can note down, that is that all these cases we are considering as or for the square matrix only. Clear? Next thing, if we are going to talk about Skew Hermitian matrix, so in that case the transpose of the conjugate of the matrix will be equal to minus that matrix. Okay, so that if any matrix is following or satisfying this condition, then you will say it is Skew Hermitian matrix. Next, what type of matrix is known as idempotent matrix? So idempotent matrix is a matrix if you are going to find the matrix itself, okay, after just considering the square of that particular matrix. So if it is equal to the matrix itself, then you will say that the matrix is idempotent matrix. Next, if we are going to talk about the periodic matrix, so in that case, if we are going to consider a to the power k plus 1, okay, k can be any integer here. So if we are considering a to the power k plus 1, and which is equal to a here is representing the matrix, and that's to square matrix. Okay, that means number of rows and columns will be same. So guys, if any matrix is satisfying this condition, that will be known as periodic matrix. Okay. Next, nilpotent matrix. So if after considering the multiplication of a matrix with itself for like a fixed number of times, okay, and if you are getting all the elements of that matrix is equal to 0, or if it is equal to 0, then you can say that that matrix is nilpotent matrix. Clear? So that's how you can consider it easily. Okay, and guys, in this case the power that has been taken as k will be a positive integer. Next thing, if we are going to consider the involuntary matrix, so guys, if you are getting a square is equal to I is the identity matrix, then in that case you can say that A is involuntary matrix. So here I am going to discuss the conditions corresponding to different type of matrices with you. Like it should be clear to everyone. Okay, it's very important. Now, equal matrices, two matrices which have same order and their corresponding elements are also equal, will say that the matrices are equal. Singular matrix which is having the determinant equal to 0. If for any matrix determinant is 0, we will say that it is singular matrix. If its determinant will be non-zero, we will say it is non-singular matrix. It's very easy to memorize it, as in the non-singular it's non-present and the determinant will also be non-zero. Okay, so guys, I hope that all the points we have discussed till now will be clear to all of you, and if there is any doubt you can even let me know. We'll try to discuss those points. Also guys, in the upcoming videos I'm going to provide you some more very important points, so don't miss any of the videos, keep on watching them. Also guys, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications for all the new upcoming videos I will upload on this channel. Also guys, here is one more information I want to share with you, that is, if you are preparing for the upcoming CSIR net physics exam, then you can also take Unacademy Plus subscription to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. Along with this guys, one more thing, that is, by using the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, in which you just need to write all the things together, no space in between. Okay, so by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get so many benefits like weekly quizzes, doubt clearing sessions, mock test, PDF of important notes. All these things will be available to you, as well as guys, you will be able to do the best preparation in the remaining time before the exam. Clear? So you will be able to do the best possible preparation in the remaining time with these live classes and the courses by the top educators. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end, and keep on watching all other videos I have provided you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Thank you.